अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आइए देखते हैं कि पाकिस्तान का मौक़िफ़ क्या है इंडिया में मैच खेलने पर, और देखते हैं कि इंग्लिश अखबार इस बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं।
PCB issue 2023 World Cup warning after India refused to tour Pakistan for Asia Cup. The PCB have issued a strongly worded statement in response to the BCCI confirming that India will not tour Pakistan for the 2023 Asia Cup. Notably, the PCB suggested the move could threaten Pakistan's participation in the 2023 Cricket World Cup, to be held in India. Minister Amit Shah told a neutral venue for Asia Cup is not unprecedented and we have decided that we will not travel to Pakistan. I have decided that we will play at a neutral venue, Shah said. The overall impact of such statements have the potential to split the Asian and international cricketing communities, and can impact Pakistan's visit to India for the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 and future ICC events in India in the 2024-2031.
Gov won't allow Pak team to travel to India for World Cup. The news has learned from well-placed sources that the federal government has refused permission for the team to travel, or to finalize any plans to participate in the World Cup. The government has communicated to the PCB that in wake of atrocities against Indian Muslims and the hatred shown by the Hindu extremists against Muslim citizens, Pakistan cricketers' visit and cricketing activities in India would be nothing less than taking a big risk. We cannot allow cricketers to travel to India under the prevailing situation, where Muslims are falling victim to atrocities at the hands of extremists in India. These extremists leave no stone unturned to preach hatred against Muslims.
This time like and subscribe the channel please. Thanks.